What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Today we have back my V.
Yeah.
She has come back down here, going to help us out. She got this nice little look going on with the trench coat and a nice little fashion editorial thing, type situation we got going on here. As you can see, we are in the pavilion. We're gonna take a couple shots here, and then we're gonna also move this location and go into a garage because this is kind of giving out a garage type feel as well. She got these sunglasses as well. As you can see, they're pretty nice, futuristic, almost like cyberpunk always type thing. Mavi, you want to say anything you want to say to the folks here?
Hi, yes. I'm so happy to be here. You can follow me on Instagram at MayVi Custom. And I hope you're having a good day.
All right, you hear that. Of course, it's going to be down in the description box below because it would have popped on the screen by now. You ready to get this work in? All right, let's get this working. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, man. Let me test this light again.
So you want me to start from here? Do you want me to move up or just?
Stay right there, just scoot over just a tad bit. Right there, right there. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Take a chill, take a chill, take a chill. Check them out.
Oh, oh, I love them.
Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. Take the person, just kind of dangle it in your hand. Yeah, yep.
And let me kind of casually open this like this and like, you know.
Yep.
Oh.
I'm with you here. 1, 2, 3. Yep, just like that. Yeah, just like that. I like that, right? No, have that one. Give me this back. Put this one in your hand. Yeah, and then do that.
Yes.
All right. Yep, just like that. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Before I switch lenses, let's get you more on the profile, almost like this.
Okay.
Because we can have that leg out.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do it that way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You did that.
I like that.
We did that. Wow, beautiful, amazing, beautiful. Yes. And now can I do something like that? No glass. No glasses.
You put them in your purse? You throwing them off in your purse?
That's why I did my makeup.
I gotta hide that red truck behind you, so. Yeah, just right there, hold that right there. Take a chill for a second. I want to get rid of those cars. I don't want the cars behind you. And, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That one's beautiful, beautiful.
There we go.
My favorite one. You let me know.
I'm ready.
Now?
Yep. Take a chill. That's a good one too.
That was beautiful.
This is a good one too. I wish I could get you. Okay. I may not even need flash. I could just probably bring that leg and just put it out towards me. That leg. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Thank you. Look right at me. Bring that purse and bring it to the other side and hold it with your hand. Yeah, just like that. Yep. No, you had it. Let's do both. Put it on your shirt. Yeah, do that first, and then we're gonna put it back on the side. Yeah, just like that. Do that first. Look at me. Let's see. That works. Yep. Like that. I like that. Good job. like that pose. Hold up. Yeah. Yeah, now you're killing it. Killing it.
That was cute. That one was cute.
Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Mavi and I just put in for you. Now, as you can see, we're now in this on the top of the garage, guys. I really hope you enjoyed those photos. We kind of went ahead and got a lot of good work in today. Mavi, how'd you enjoy it?
I had so much fun.
Of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below, because would have popped on the screen by now. Once again, this was just a quick little BTS because I took a break out of WPPI. I haven't even shot in a very long time since Valentine's Day, guys, out, honestly. So I've been on definitely a photo hiatus, but I'm back now giving y'all this hot heat again.
Yes.
And to the next video.
Until the next time.
Until the next video, peace. Peace.
And it's Mavi, because you always butcher my name.
I said Mavi.
Damn.
Did I not say Mavi?
Not last time. You said Maya.
Did I say Maya? My bad. My bad.
I said, who's that? What?
All right, now we are completely done with the video. I hope you enjoyed the work that me and Mavi.
Ivy with the M.